Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we're going to do a video of a Japanese mini truck we recently imported. This is a Daihatsu Hi-Jet, and I need to get my piece of paper here. And this is a 1996. The stock number is D1996. It is a 4x4, 5-speed with a high and low transfer case. It has 5,419 miles, and it is $7,200. Starting with this top corner, everything looks good up here. It does have some scratches, and those scratches are minor, but you need to know about that. And then the door looks very good. It does have a dent right there. The tires are in really good shape. They're Bridgestone ice and snow tires, and they have very good tread. Bed side looks excellent. No dents, no dings. You can see from normal use here, the paint, is scuffed, and that's true for the bed too. So let me open the tailgate so you can see that. You can see the bed also has some scuffs, no big deal, but it's not dented up. It's just like where they've put stuff in the bed and used it, but it's not damaged. The tailgate is in good shape. This is a twin cam 12 valve engine. Just kind of their newer generation engine. Handicap sticker, no extra charge. So whoever had this in Japan was handicapped, and they used it, but not much. They didn't use it very much because it's got such low miles on it. Let's take a look at this bedside. This bedside is in very good shape also. It has a scratch right there. The paint is scratched. Some pine needles. Okay, back of the cab. It's got some minor abrasions. Not a big deal. There's the roof. Looks good. The door on the passenger side looks good. And, just some scuffs that probably would come out. I don't even know, but not a big deal. Front looks very nice. Very good condition on the front of the vehicle. The interior door panel looks good. The driver's seat is in excellent shape, as is the passenger seat. And that door panel over there also looks really nice. Little dirty on the floor, but everything looks really good. You can see under there, it's dirty, but in beautiful shape. All right, well, let's go ahead and start it up. Look at those kilometers, 87,08724. You don't see that very often. All right, here we go. We are in two-wheel drive. When that button is pushed out, you're in two-wheel drive, but when you push it in, that lights up right there, showing that you're in four-wheel drive. Okay, since we're driving on the asphalt, we're going to leave it in two-wheel drive. I've got somebody coming up behind me, so I'm going to let them pass. This truck has been serviced. The title has been applied for, and when I say it's been serviced, I mean we've changed the oil, we've changed the air filter, the oil filter. We use full synthetic engine oil when we do an oil change, and that's just cheap insurance to use full synthetic oil. And this drives really well. I mean, it's got such low miles, it's crazy. That's what I go for. I go for these ridiculously low mileage vehicles because in the end, you wind up so much better with something like that rather than something with, 60,000 or 50,000 miles. A twin cam has more power, definitely. Huh. I don't see many of those because it's, something new. This is 96, so. But yeah, so I'm in fourth gear going up a steep hill. We're definitely climbing. So this thing is such a fresh engine because the miles are so low that the compression is remarkable. So it has excellent horsepower. But if you're interested in this vehicle, let us know. And we have titles for all of our trucks. We got the law passed in North Carolina, making them street legal. And we have probably got to wait for the title a little bit. But when it does get here, we'll let you know that your title is here. And then you can either come pick it up or have it mailed. So we appreciate your interest in our video and checking it out. And if you want to call us, you can dial us at 336-777-9957. And you can also check out our website at mayberryminitrucks.com. And you can also shoot us an email at sales@mayberryminitrucks.com. Thanks for watching our video.